In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel file into Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your spreadsheet data into Notion using a simple CSV import, and what to expect once it lands in your workspace. First, open your workspace in Notion. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you are in the correct workspace where you want the data to live, and give the page a moment to load so the sidebar appears on the left. Next, look to the bottom of the left-hand sidebar and click Import. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the left edge or click the small arrow to expand it. The Import button is a built-in shortcut that lets Notion pull data from outside sources into a brand new page or database. When the pop-up window appears, select CSV. Notion imports spreadsheet data through CSV files because they're a universal format that most spreadsheet tools can export. If your data currently lives in an Excel workbook, make sure you've already saved or exported a copy as a CSV so it's ready to go. A quick note here, the first row in your CSV will be treated as column headers, so it helps if those are accurate and clearly named. Now, choose your converted file. Navigate to the folder where you saved your CSV, select it and confirm. Notion will process the file and create a new database page. You'll see your columns become properties and your rows become entries. Text stays as text. Numbers stay numeric, and dates are recognized when they're formatted consistently. If your data includes large numbers, percentages, or currencies, Notion will bring them in as plain numbers that you can later format as needed. A few tips as the import completes. If you notice columns not aligning as expected, double-check that the first row in the CSV is truly your header row, with no blank cells. If you see strange characters, that's usually an encoding issue. Exporting the CSV in UTF-8 typically resolves it. Dates are easiest for Notion to interpret when they're in a clear format like UIV 2000, 1000, and if your spreadsheet referenced images or external files. Remember that CSVs contain text only, so linked assets won't come through automatically. That's it. Open your workspace in Notion, click Import. Choose CSV and select your converted file. You now have your spreadsheet data inside Notion and ready to work with. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you bring your Excel data into Notion quickly and confidently.